If you are looking for a healthy breakfast idea in India, then this jowar methi thepla or jowar methi parantha with pumpkin puree will appeal to your taste buds. Hello health buddies, sorghum is a rich source of phytochemicals including phenolic acids and tannins. So let's see how to make a healthy parantha with jowar. You need 1 cup of pumpkin and half cup of water to cook the pumpkin. Cook it and then cover it to speed up cooking. Now mash the puree, mash the cooked pumpkin and then add 1/4 cup of water and heat again. You can add more water, you can add more puree depending on the amount of paranthas you need to make. So we need hot puree to make soft dough, and the softer the dough, the softer the thepla will be, since it is a gluten-free flour. Now add half teaspoon of salt and continue to cook it. And now remove it in another bowl. I have removed it in another bowl. You can use the same bowl as well. Then add dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Kasuri methi is a Punjabi's favorite, and I love to add it in several of my paranthas. Now add 1 cup of jowar flour to the hot pumpkin puree. And if you feel that the dough looks dry, then you can add 1 to 2 tablespoon extra of hot water. You can add 1 teaspoon of flax meal powder as well. I usually add it in my paranthas for the antioxidant and omega-3 rich punch. Now gather into a dough. You don't need to knead it too much and keep it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can add either methi leaves, fenugreek leaves or moringa leaves. I have added moringa leaves here, and you will love the taste and flavor of moringa as well in this parantha. Roll out gently, just like you roll out any other parantha, but this one will be slightly thicker, so we can make softer jowar methi parantha. Cut into a round shape using a bowl, and now grease tawa with little oil. I use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil for all my paranthas, and I'll tell you why. I'll do a detailed post on why you need to use only extra virgin olive oil. If you wish to use olive oil, then never ever use pomace olive oil, because it is not for human consumption, but it is sold in India for as edible, but it is not edible. Now smear oil as needed, cook on both sides, flip sides, and your delicious healthy methi jowar thepla with pumpkin puree is ready, and it tastes like makki ki roti. My Uriya hubby said it tastes like makki ki roti, makki ka parantha, and you will surely love it. I have also shared other jowar recipes, cookies and jowar buns, another jowar biscuits, all of these recipes, and jowar pizza. And all my cookie recipes do not use baking powder and soda. And this is my jowar sourdough starter, and these are pumpkin seed snack. If you are yet to try this out, do try out. I hope you like this recipe of healthy jowar parantha. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. And if you don't, you can hit the dislike button. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.